Welcome to Naturaliss Jamaican Home Cooking. This week I'm going to be cooking cornmeal fried dumpling and fried saltfish. Right? If you're just joining, remember to like, share, comment and subscribe for more videos. Tell a friend to tell a friend and a friend to tell a friend and 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 a friend. Friend and then another friend. Come make we bubble apart. We have our saltfish, right? First what we're going to do, we're going to wash our saltfish, put it in some water, let it soak, right? So what we're going to do, we're going to get rid of the scale from the saltfish, right? So we have our cornmeal, right? What we're going to do, we're going to sieve our cornmeal. We have our counter flour. We're going to sieve our counter flour as well. Add about half cup of counter flour. We have our mixed spice by Island Spice, not sponsored by Island Spice. To add about 1 teaspoon of mixed spice. We're going to add 1 teaspoon baking powder. We have our vanilla, Benjamin's vanilla, not sponsored by Benjamin. Add 1 teaspoon Benjamin's vanilla. We add a teaspoon of sugar. We add a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Now we're going to combine everything together. First we're going to add about 1/4 cup of water. more of water as we go along. Don't want the mixture to be too soft. I'm gonna put this on low flame, add our cooking oil. So we're going to add our dumpling. So we're going to let these fry for 5 minutes, then flip them over. Right, let them fry for 10 minutes on each side. Right, so 5 minutes first, flip them over, 5 minutes, flip them over, 5 more minutes, flip them over again, then 5 more minutes. Right, I don't want them to get burnt. So right, every 5 minutes you flip them over, right, until about 10 to 15 minutes time, and they are ready when they are golden brown. We're going to throw off the water from the saltfish again. Alright. Catch a fresh set of water. So now it's time to add our saltfish, right? cornmeal fried dumpling and fried saltfish is ready. So let me check it out and see what's going on, you know. Tasty, very yummy, you know. You can taste the vanilla, you can taste the mixed spice, right? And I can taste the saltfish, just a little tip of salt you can taste in there, just right, you know. So remember to like, share, comment and subscribe for more videos. Tell a friend to tell a friend and a friend to tell a friend and 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 a friend, friend, then another friend. Boom!